Yes, 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 my people. I say welcome back to this channel, Watcher TV. I'm your guy Nix, and I say welcome to this channel, Watcher TV. Thanks for staying tuned and all that, and really appreciate it. Stay tuned, and we will get to you in a few. You know what I mean?
3, 2.
People, you know, say really and truly still, I want to talk about the one acting, the one I acting, you know what I mean? This guy come from international television, you know what I mean? International media, you know what I mean? And I chat whole heap of nonsense. Some I think them make sense, but most of the thing them you must say, foolishness. You know what I mean? So, acting, let me tell you this. You say if you prefer have little money in your pocket than to live, they ain't no sense acting. You's a fool. Because you want money, you want to get money implemented, not measures. You want money in a people's pocket. You see me? Like everybody now want money acting. Since as you feel like the people want money acting, you have big artists acting. You sit down for millions. You see me? You and your friend them. You see me? So why you not keep charity and them thing there? Me never see you keep charity yet in acting. Never see you keep charity yet. You see me? Me never hear of it. Me never hear it in no media say acting put on a charity. So you see me? Acting put on charity, I give away, I give back to the people or I give back to the land or whatever. You don't do nothing like that acting. So don't come talk no foolishness, bad man. You see me? Don't come you say if you not do it, don't come tell somebody else to do it. Cause you can do it. You have the opportunity. You have the money. You see me? You have the willpower, the push, everything. For do what you watch at say. You see me? So if you feel like say you want to help some people charge you, then you give it, then you use your money and you get some grocery, you buy up some grocery and you go drop it off for some people yard. You know what I mean? Me not say Prime Minister not to do them thing they do in the dark. You see me? The Prime Minister to do them thing there as well, my people. You know what I mean? Prime Minister to do them thing there as well. But guess what? Locking down the country are the greatest thing for we. And I mean, when you lock down the country, my general, that's the greatest thing for we. And I mean, right now, I say, the country should have locked down all a month. You know what I mean? Because you lock it down, and some people are complaining. You know, say, a beer done complain. The people them who are complaining, I say, boy, bro God should do this and bro God should do that. And some dunce them, you know. Yeah man, none of them have no degree, they have no bachelors, no diploma. I be a dunce them. Some dunce people where I say, boy, bro God this, bro God that, because them dunce are illiterate and them don't know what is the importance of life. You know what I mean? Acting I tell the people them, acting I try make the people them war with them one another. And that acting I do. Acting come from media, I try to turn people against people. Acting, go give me a new song. Give me a hit song, you. That's what you have to do. You're a musician. Give me a hit song, low politics alone, brother. Yeah, me I tell you, low politics alone, brother. Give me a hit song. How long now I hear a hit song for you? You see me? Your song them still a give you money. The song them what you do already, still a make you make money. So here what you do. Get some food and issue to the people them. Because you have it, youth. You see me? You sit down for millions and I chat foolishness. You see me? No for the entertainer them out there for your help we. For the entertainer them out there for your help we. Them for your help the people them. Them not help nobody. You see me I say? Them just get big, rich, hence, and then them not give a damn. And then I blame Prime Minister, I blame government. I want to know dog. We can't take up this thing in our hand, youth. We can more than take up this thing in our hand, youth. So Octane, stop your nice, brother. You come on this a chat, be a fucker. Brother, 4 million people or 5 million people in a Jamaica. A 2.9 bad man. You see me I say 2.9. So I don't know where you get this 4 and 3 mil from. 5 mil from. You see me I say? So stop talking when you know you. You get statistics on the coronavirus, brother. And you see me? Charge you. You come on them thing you come talk when you know you. You see me I say, because you come on the thing come talk. So Prime Minister Andrew Holness. I too want you listen to people, you know. Yeah, man, I know say you have to listen to the nation, to hear the cries of the nation, and hear what to fix and what not to fix. But not everybody have to listen to. You see me I deal it, not listen to everybody, because you see when they listen to this a person, yeah, then this a person say a foolishness that. Then you listen to this a person, yeah, then this a person say a foolishness that. And it goes on and on. So now listen to them. You are bright, intelligent, than the whole of them where they chat foolishness. Yes, I them put you up there. We the people have the power, we know that. But are you there pan the stand? Are you there up there? You there up there and lead the nation. You know what I mean? Yes, we the people have the power. We the people have the power. And the power lies within we. Because we elect you, we make you house for you there. But now listen to them. When I say enough listen to nobody at all, no. But no listen to everybody, because out in the market do a mix you up and draw you in a foolishness. You know what I mean? With them dunce, illiterate self. You know what I mean? Because them don't realize say, life more important than money. Them don't know that. When they want hungry and no money in your pocket, life more important than that. Life more important than that. Life more important than not having nothing to eat. You are going to tell me, so you want to tell me, say, you prefer dead than suffer? I prefer suffer than dead. Because I know, say, if I suffer, I can find a way to stop the suffering. If I dead, I can't find a way to do that. I just dead. So I say, so Octane, stop telling people them foolishness bad, man. You see me? Group up your cronies, them. You see me? Group up your friend, them, the whole your artist friend, them. Line up some money. 500,000, a million, any amount, buy up some grocery. $10,000 packages. Send it all board. You see me? Don't come blame government alone and tell government to do this and do that. Government to do all them can do. And that me I tell you now. This country already mash up. Stop look for the country fix. You see me I say? Help one another. Stop look for budget fix. Stop look for money coming in and them thing there. Help one another. Help one another. Help each other, bad man. Stop tell people about this and stop tell help each other. You see me I say? People just come to share this one, you know. I not too come to do the bag of talking. You know his style already, you see me? Big man thing. But acting for easy himself that and stop chat foolishness. Yeah. Me no labor right now socialist. You see me I say? I don't live right now socialist, but when me see, when time I see something that is right, I'm say, alright, that's so it for go, then I saw it for go. You see me? No don't can come tell me nothing chargy. Yeah, man. So, thank you guys for staying tuned to watch your TV, you know what I mean? Watch your TV, the only TV that's watching you, I'm out.